Hello everyone, this is Ria from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today I am going to perform an experiment to identify the given organic compound. Apparatus required for this experiment are test tube, thermometer, capillary tube, dropper, spatula, ethanol, organic compound, dilute NaOH, dilute H2SO4, dilute HCl, and burner. Now we're gonna take the given organic compound with the help of spatula on the filter paper.
Now we will take naphthalene and we'll see its flame.
Black sooty flame Sooty flames indicate that the given organic compound is aromatic. Burning the capillary tube to break it into pieces and close the other ending. Adding the organic compound in the capillary tube and then measure its melting point. Checking the melting point of given organic compound.
Here we see the melting point of naphthalene is 80 degree. Now we will take some naphthalene in a test tube. Now first we will check the solubility in water at room temperature. We can see that it is not dissolved in water. Now we will check it in hot water. We can see that it is not soluble in hot water.
Now we will check its solubility in dilute H2SO4 at room temperature. We can see that it is insoluble in dilute H2SO4 at room temperature. So we will check its solubility in hot water. We can see that it is insoluble in dilute H2SO4 in hot water. Now we will check the solubility of this organic compound in dilute NaOH at room temperature. Now we can see that it is not dissolvable in NaOH in room temperature. We will check its solubility at high temperature in hot water. This organic compound is insoluble in NaOH at hot water. Now we will check the organic compound solubility in dilute HCl at room temperature. we can see that this organic compound is insoluble in dilute HCl at room temperature. So we will check its solubility at hot water. We can see that this organic compound is insoluble in HCl at hot water. We will check the solubility of this organic compound in ethanol at room temperature. We can see that it is insoluble in ethanol at room temperature, so we will check its solubility in hot water. Now we can see that it is soluble in ethanol at hot water. In ignition tube, we added sodium metal. Burn it till red hot. Now we're gonna add the organic compound in the ignition tube containing sodium metal, which is burned until red hot. Then together burn them for a while. When it becomes red hot, put the ignition tube in the china dish containing cold water and cover it.
Now we heat the china dish in which ignition tube is present. We boil it for 5 minutes.
Now we have to cool it down and then filter it. Now we're gonna filter the LE prepared.
15 ml अलग अलग बना लो, एक गर्ल्स में और एक बॉयज, ठीक है, दो ग्रुप में छोटे जितना अब वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ.
We have to filter the LE prepared.
60 ml की जगह पे 15 ml देना है कोकोनट ऑयल, और उसके अंदर छोटे हिस्से में जो भी यहाँ पे रखा है 200 ml वाटर और 15 ग्राम कोमन साल्ट. साल्ट कितना लेना है? 3.75.
Now we're gonna add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate in the test tube. In the freshly prepared LE, we added freshly prepared FeSO4 solution.
We boil the freshly prepared solution.
Now we're gonna boil this. After boiling this, we're gonna add concentrated H2SO4 solution in this. After boiling this, we're going to add concentrated H2SO4. This shows nitrogen group is absent in this organic compound. This shows the nitrogen is absent in this organic compound because its color does not turn blue. Given organic compound is naphthalene.